Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to... Many people have said that the rabbit I taught before might be a bit difficult, so to make it easy for everyone to quickly fold a rabbit during family and friends gatherings, we'll do a kid-friendly origami piece this week. We need a 15-centimeter piece of paper. I want the rabbit's ears to be pink, so I'm using pink paper. First, fold it edge to edge. And open it up. Fold both edges towards the center line and then fold it again. Next, fold its four corners. This rabbit is very simple, especially suitable for kids to fold. You can fold a bunch in no time. Open it up. Fold the four corners we just made into the inner layer. Fold this corner into the inner layer. After folding it into the inner layer, flip to the middle layer, without any splits, and fold the large angle toward the center. Both sides are the same. Then flip it over to this side. Fold this edge towards the center line. Now we start folding the rabbit's ears. This side is the same. Then, along this line, fold the large upper part over to this side. Now, look at this spot. For this triangle, fold the front corner back about 1/3. Alright, then fold it along the entire axis of symmetry. Now, hold the bottom corner with one hand. With the other hand, hold the tip of the rabbit's ear. After holding it, lift it up, rotating. Press the bottom part flat. Now look at the back part. There's an obtuse angle here. From the front end of this angle, fold half of the large angle. Fold it forward, then backward. Then, change the perspective. Look from here, along the two creases we just made. Fold the rabbit's part into the middle. Now look at the second to last step. Tuck the back tip into the paper layer. Make the rabbit's hind legs rounder. It looks like this. Finally, adjust its ears. Open from the center, scrape along the edge, and the rabbit's ears will open up. Since the paper I am using is two-colored, we can adjust it to have pink ears. So, split from the two-colored layer and scrape the edge. Open up the ears. So, a very simple little rabbit is folded. Super simple, right?